Hello, my name is Kung. Welcome to cyberNet channel. This video will show you where to download and how to install WireShark. First, access the WireShark website. Click on the download item. Depend on your operating systems, download the appropriate installer. In my case, I download Windows Installer 64-bit. You need NP cap to be able to capture packets. Therefore, make sure to check the item. WireShark is a network packet analyzer that helps to capture and present packet data in as much detail as possible. A network packet analyzer is considered as a measuring device for examining what's happening inside a network cable, just like an electrician uses a voltmeter for examining what's happening inside an electric cable, but at a higher level, of course. In the past, such tools were either very expensive, proprietary, or both. However, with the advent of WireShark, that has changed. WireShark is available for free, is open source, and is one of the best packet analyzers available today. Thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe to this YouTube channel by clicking the subscribe button under this video.